Kashmir, a land of mystic tranquility and ethereal beauty that transcends the confines of time. Its story is a tapestry woven with threads of myriad cultures, religions, and people. But today, we delve into a pivotal epoch in its history, the dawn and spread of Islam in this celestial valley. But before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now, let's get started. The Symphony of Kashmir's Islamic history begins in 1320 AD with the reign of Rinchen, a Tibetan Buddhist prince who converted to Islam after meeting the Muslim scholar Bul-Bul Shah. Rinchen, taking the name Sadr-Ul-Din Shah, laid the first stone of Islamic faith in this predominantly Hindu and Buddhist region. But the true catalyst in spreading Islam was commerce. Muslim traders from Central Asia ventured through the treacherous mountain passes, bringing with them textiles, spices, and most importantly, the Quranic teachings. Their influence on the local culture was the first ripple in what would become a wave of transformation. The valley's spiritual air became perfumed with the teachings of Islamic mystics, Sufis. Prominent among them was Mir Sayyid Ali Hamadani, affectionately known as Shah-e-Hamadan. In the late 14th century, he and his 700 disciples played a vital role in fostering Islam in Kashmir, paving the way for a deep-rooted Islamic heritage. Marching through time, a succession of Muslim rulers adorned the throne of Kashmir, each shaping the society to various degrees with Islamic principles. Religious schools, mosques, and shrines sprouted throughout the valley, cradling the Islamic Renaissance in Kashmir. The echoes of Sultan Sikandar's reign in the early 15th century still resonate today. His efforts to expand Islam included inviting Islamic scholars to Kashmir and implementing Islamic law. Thus ensued the era of cultural osmosis, as Persia's influence seeped into Kashmir's art, language, and architecture, lending a harmonious blend of Persian finesse with local craftsmanship. Islam's tenure in Kashmir further evolved under the Chak rulers, a dynasty of Gilgit origin whose adherence to Shia sect of Islam introduced a new sectarian dynamic. But their reign succumbed to the might of the Mughal invasion when Emperor Akbar annexed Kashmir in 1586, integrating it into the vast Mughal Empire. Under the Mughals, Kashmir flourished, endowed with resplendent gardens and grand architecture, flourishing under a responsive, albeit centralized, administration. The wheels of time spun on, and Kashmir's sovereignty ebbed and flowed through Afghan governors, Sikh monarchs, and finally, the Dogra dynasty. Each left an indelible imprint on the societal and cultural ethos of Kashmir. Through 7 centuries of history, the Islamic faith has weathered conquests, political upheavals, and cultural metamorphoses in Kashmir. It remains a defining part of the lifeblood that makes Kashmir a singular jewel in the crown of the subcontinent. As we leave the annals of the past, we find that the true story of Islam in Kashmir isn't just about the rulers who sat on thrones, nor the merchants on ancient roads. It is in the hearts of the people, the vibrant communities,